So, hello everyone. We will start with this class. This is the first topic for our unit, which is about word order. So, in English, it is very important to take into account the correct order of the words. So, as you could see in the last semester, when you form affirmative sentences and negative sentences, those sentences have a specific order. When you work with questions, those questions also have a specific order. Today we're going to start with remembering all of that stuff, and we will start with the order or word order with the verb to be. So, specifically with questions, we have an order that we need to follow. When we use a yes no question, remember yes no questions are the questions that you can answer with yes or with no. So, you have here two examples. Are they American? Is this your coat? So the possible answers for those questions are no or yes. While if you need to get more specific information, you can add a WH word. For example, we have here how old or what time. You can use where, you can use what. So, as you can see here, if you want to ask a question using the verb to be, this is the logical order that you need to follow. If you are asking a yes no question, you have to start with the verb to be, are or is, then the subject corresponding to the previous form of the verb that you used. In this case, are, they, this is for is. And then we have a kind of a complement. It could be a noun, an adjective, or other word. And then you have the question mark. So this is the order for yes no questions. What happened with the other questions? With informative questions, we need to start with the WH word. In this case, we have how old. Remember in Spanish, how old we used to ask for age. Preguntar sobre la edad. So, how old, verbo to be are, subject you. How old are you? As we are asking for a specific information, we need to answer that question with that specific information. For example, in this case, we have how old, la edad. So we need to answer that question with una edad, in this case, 28. And then you have what time is it, qué hora, and we need to answer with the time. So this is what you need to remember about how to form questions with a verb to be. We start, if we need, with the question word. Remember, we have what, where, how, when, what time, how old. Those are question words. Then we have the verb to be. As we are talking about present simple sentences, we will use the three forms or the two forms, are and is. Then we have the subject. The subject of the question could be a noun. For example, your mother, your father. It could be a pronoun, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. And we will finish our question with a complement. As I told you before, it could be an adjective, it could be a noun, but